Hello, my name is Melvin Porter. I'm an IT trainer / instructor. I work for Lumifi, work in Melbourne, Australia. I'm originally from South Africa, hence the funny accent. I've been working in IT and IT related training for the last 30 odd years. I probably consider myself more of an educator and then an IT guy. So my aim is to try and help people understand technology in a nice, relaxed, friendly way and give them a better understanding of what they're trying to get information on. I currently teach courses related to Azure, to Microsoft Endpoint, Intune, VMware virtualization, Citrix, virtual apps, desktops. In the past, I've even taught Cisco, SQL, Exchange. I've taught Microsoft infrastructure courses, so a bit of everything. What did I learn from the AI CERTs Trainer Program? Well, the AI CERTs training material gave me clear, practical understanding of how AI works. So whether it be the details related to machine learning, whether it be related to business practices, whether it be related to ethical principles, it was all in all very comprehensive and also gave me a nice, good real-world understanding of various applications that I might use. But it wasn't just a theory. It helped me to think about AI in a way that makes it practical for a business and an everyday problem-solving strategy. It also gave me the tools. So from an AI trainer's perspective, it gave me the tools and the resources to relay it on to my students in a practical and more engaging way as well. If you were to look at the AI CERTs Trainer portal, there's heaps of documents, blueprints, guides, all those things which really make my life a lot easier when I'm coming to the training side of things. How would I apply this knowledge in real life? Well, it'll help me to help my students identify opportunities to use AI-related tools, whether in day-to-day business, improving efficiency, decision-making, whatever that might be. All in all, basically make AI less intimidating and more accessible. Would I recommend AI CERTs to others? Absolutely, no question about it. AI CERTs' role-based training is well structured, very easy to follow. So whether you're in tech, whether you're in business, whether you're just curious about the future of work, AI CERTs program really gives you that industry recognized credential that'll help you in the long run. So absolutely.